The new Mercedes EQE clearly bears all the hallmarks of the Mercedes EQ family, focusing on digital luxury, intelligence, and ultimately, ease of use. The Mercedes-Benz User Experience Infotainment System, or MBUX for short, is, in my eyes, the best operating system that you can find in a car. So let's get into the details. The Hyperscreen's 3 displays, which are bonded together under a single piece of safety glass, seemingly merge into each other to give the appearance of one huge single screen. It really does look like something out of a spaceship. First, there's the instrument cluster. Then there's the central display. And finally, a passenger display over there. This striking MBUX Hyperscreen that stretches from pillar to pillar is the focal point of the EQE's brand new cockpit. Mercedes calls the latest evolution of MBUX the zero layer, and it uses artificial intelligence to proactively display the right function at the right time for the user. Now this is pretty amazing. Essentially, the system learns your habits and brings up required information before you even ask for it. It feels like the car can almost read your mind. So now I don't have to scroll through submenus to find the key applications that I'm looking for. Now that's really useful. There's also a head-up display, which means that I can see essential information like current speed, directions, and other important information right in front of me. Another amazing feature in the EQE is navigation with electric intelligence. This can plan the fastest and most convenient route to your destination, while at the same time calculating necessary charging stops along the way. The system even considers various factors, including the performance and availability of charging stations, the weather, the local topography, and even your driving style to plan your route as accurately as possible. And not only that, the vehicle uses this information to perfectly prepare for the charging process by bringing your battery to the optimum temperature for fast charging. And thanks to the MBUX voice assistant, I can find out vital information without having to take my hands off the wheel or my eyes off the road. Hey Mercedes!
How may I help you?
Do I have sufficient charge to get to Girona?
Your battery is currently charged sufficiently to reach Girona. You will arrive with a battery level of approximately 67%.
Please play the top news.
Here's your news from BBC Minute at 2:28 p.m. today.
Hey Mercedes!
How can I help?
Start the ejector seat.
Okay, I will start the ejection seat in
Ooh, stop.
10, 9,
Stop.
8. No, I'm just joking.
Okay, so I just had to give that a go, but the EQE prefers having a driver, so I've got something else I want to show you. With MBUX Entertainment, I can stream my favourite tunes from Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, or Tidal. At the moment, Mercedes is the only car brand to offer this. And with Spotify, I can even continue playing a song in the car that I was previously listening to on my smartphone outside of the car.